Hi everyone, this is Dinakar, SAP PPQM PM trainer. So I'm a direct trainer and myself I will be taking the classes. Working as a lead consultant having 8 years of experience. My details are this, you can see on the screen. Now I am taking plant maintenance demo. See, SAP plant maintenance. Just imagine that this is a manufacturing company. A manufacturing man is standing there, a maintenance guy. Now, agenda is about a finished product. Example, cotton box, we pack your end products. Any companies, if they are having one finished product, they have minimum number of machines. If they have large product database, then they may be having so many equipment, so many tools, so many machinery, depending upon the production size of the plant. Then organization structure, importance of all modules and their roles like SD, MM, PP, QM, PM, FICO. And out of that, what is plant maintenance in SAP? Plant maintenance in SAP have master data, that is functional location, work center, equipment and task list. So once you create this master data, you will plan single cycle strategy, multiple counter plan depending upon the equipment and the task you need to carry out. Once you plan, we will get a notification or order. Then we will schedule the notification, then we release the maintenance order, then close up the notification or order. After that, we set the status technically complete if it is an order. Then cost analysis will be done. Then we do the closure of the maintenance order. Now let us imagine we have started a plant in Hyderabad and my finished product of the company is cotton box. Due to increasing orders, I have started 3 more plants in India like Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. India, we call it as company code. Similarly, I can extend my operations in other countries like China and Japan. So China can have number of plants, Japan can have number of plants. Now in SAP, we call China, India and Japan as company codes. So all these company codes are assigned to main company, that is plant Hyderabad, USA. So you can imagine your main head office is at USA so that you will have better control across the globe. Now out of these 3 plants, you can make same plant as a planning plant, or you can make one plant as a planning plant and assign it to a three other plants. Like Hyderabad, I can make a planning plan and assign it to Hyderabad, Chennai and Bangalore. Now when I make Hyderabad as a planning plant, I will assign this Hyderabad plant to Bangalore maintenance plant, Hyderabad maintenance plant and Chennai maintenance. So under each plant I am identify a location, like for example production area in Bangalore plant, functional area, function location, that is boiler area. Then in Hyderabad plant, Chennai maintenance plant, functional location, storage location. Now under each location we can identify so many equipments, like for example in Hyderabad maintenance plant, in function location boiler area, I have equipments, motor, grinder, fans, air conditioning. Importance of all modules. These are all functional modules: SD, MM, PP, QM, PM, FICO. To run a business, we require all these modules. SD, this gets order from the market and see that it is delivered. Material management. Once the order is coming into our plant. Material management people, they will procure all the raw materials, and also they will do goods issue and goods receipt internally. Production planning people, they look into production of the required order quantity. Quality management, this looks into quality of incoming in process and before dispatch of the material for order. So plant maintenance means this looks into maintenance of the machine equipment to give maximum efficiency to give good output. Means you will give your equipment preventive maintenance so that it will not break down. Finance and control, this looks into creation of company code, plan, maintain cost centers, profit centers for financial accounting in the organization. So this is just a brief introduction about all the modules. Now, if persons are not from manufacturing background, they don't have manufacturing experience, you can also imagine small example, like if you consider India as a company code, Hyderabad as your plant or home. In your home you have some location called kitchen. In that kitchen you have equipments like stove, grinder, exhaust fan, which we may give some preventive maintenance so that it will not give any problem while using. Okay, now basically this plant maintenance is divided into three parts. One is master data, one is planning, and one is execution. Master data means we have to create a function location, we have to create a work center, we have to create equipment, when we have to create a task list. Means you have to identify the location where that equipment is there or the where that machine is there. Work center means who will repair that equipment or a machine and another machine. It can be another machine or a person. Creation of equipment means it can be a machine, it can be any other equipment or any tool. Task list means what is the task you want to perform. Then depending upon the task, we will create planning with single cycle. For example, if it is a simple activity, every day I want to clean for a period of 30 days. So I just want a notification for a period of 30 days. So that those kind of activities we plan in a single cycle plan. Then maintenance strategy plan means for some equipments you may do after 30 days cleaning, after 60 days polishing, after 90 days painting. So if some periodic maintenance activities are there, we map it in strategy plan. Multiple counter plan means some equipments will have some counter reading. For example, if it is a car or bike, you want to set a point like 1000 kilometers or 30 days. I want to do service. So depending upon the counter reading, we do this multiple counter plan. So once the plan is created, we will schedule it. Execution means scheduling of the plan. Once we schedule the plan, we'll get a notification, close of the notification, order creation, confirmation of the order. All these things we will do. And to create all these things in SAP, we use transactions called IL01, IR01, IE01, IA01. So like this, you will come across many transactions while we have classes in by using SAP as a software. You will come across. Now there are so many scenarios like master data you have to create. There is a single cycle plan how you will carry out IP41, IP10, IW23, IW22. Then strategy plan, then multiple counter plan. There are different plans. Okay. Now let us see. See, I have made these Word documents for your easy reference by pasting the screenshots from SAP. Creation of function location. I will use this T code IL01 and I will name it some location. Location is nothing but some place. I told you it can be a kitchen or a production area, something like that. In which plant it is and what is the planning plan to assign to that. So then we will create a work center, a machine required to repair your equipment. So what are all the fields we will use while creating that, I will let you know. The once I create work center, then I will go for direct equipment creation. Now for example, air conditioner. So I'm creating an equipment called air condition. Now I will place this equipment to that particular location where it belongs, HM-1. Similarly, I can create many other equipments like projector, Hero Honda, scooter or something like that. And I can place all these equipments belong to one location. So that in that location, all these equipments will be viewed. Means tomorrow when you have notification, the person will go to that particular location to repair or do some activities. Now how you create a task list? Now for this equipment air condition, I will be using the work center for cleaning. How many labor hour, how many duration, all these things you will mention. Now while doing this activity, whether you require any spare parts or any item, so you can select that line and you can assign that components. For example, spare part I require. So you can assign like this. So I have all these Word documents with whatever the screens or with whatever the scenarios I will be running, I will provide you as once I will complete running the cycle in SAP live before you. Now if you don't know what is SAP, I'll just show it. See, wherever you go across the globe, you will find this SAP logon pad. So this is our software. So when you double click on it, you will we will get some this kind of a screen. So they will be having some multiple servers. So this can be accessed throughout the world once you put these IP addresses into your system. First of all, you have to download so that this SAP logon pad will appear on your system. Then you will be given, so I will provide this server access, this IP address and all, whichever I have shown, so that and also I will give user ID password so that you can directly go log in and then you will come into this screen. So this is SAP Easy Access screen, and also SAP has two sides. One is SAP Easy Access, second one is SPRO. Means whatever you need to configure, you will configure here. Like for example, enterprise structure. I told you where is my company, where how many company plants are there. All these things you will do in define company. See, define company code, and logistic general you will have plants, define copy delete check plant, and for plant maintenance, see this is plant maintenance. So maintain maintenance planning plan. Then you will assign this maintain maintenance planning plan to all the assign maintenance planning plan to maintenance plan. All these things we will do in SAP while we run our classes. Okay, and usually under the logistics module we will find this plant maintenance module. So I told you master data, function location, equipment, all these things, how we create all these things I will be letting you know. Now in SAP I will show and I will run each scenario. The contents what I will cover in our classes are these. Like what is company code, plan maintenance plan, planning plan, what is the landscape of SAP, what is the architecture. These are all just general information. Now practically SAP related master data, how to create function location, how to create work center, equipment, task list, material, equipment bomb, link material bomb to equipment, structure display, creation of serial number, creation of measuring points, all these things I will be covering, like creation of general notification, creation of breakdown notification, creation of maintenance order, integrating with and finance. Now planning scenarios, I told you how to create single cycle, strategy, multiple counter plan. Then how we execute all those above plans. Then sometimes we need to create order from notification. Then issue of non-stock material to the maintenance order, issue of stock material to the maintenance order. Stock and non-stock means some materials you may have to procure and keep it in stock and then you issue. Some materials you don't want to maintain any stock, just you will put Yeah, just you will buy, use it. That is called non-stock material. External service delivery means some activities, some operations you cannot do in your plant. So either you will call the vendor or you will send that work to that other person. So how you do that? External service, or external operation or service delivery in the maintenance order. Then refurbishment of maintenance order. Calibration, PM integration with QM, or we can also call it as test equipment. Calibration order, PM integration with quality management. Process of assigning activities to the object parts in the main equipment means you will create a notification for the main equipment and you will also do services for its parts. So how you do that process? Then factory calendar means which is an holiday, why it is giving a warning, all these things you will be knowing it. Then how we find the reports in SAP system, how we do cost analysis, COGI errors, if something is not getting posted, how you do it, basic configuration steps, project implementation, support project means what is the methodology we use while project implementation, or in support project how we are getting tickets, what are the priority of tickets, how we acknowledge it, how you give solution, all these things I will be letting you know. So these are my details, you can just go through, and from my side I will be taking the classes, each and every scenario I will run, and I will also follow up whether you people are doing it. Before starting of the next session. I will just go into that your these things, and then I will check whether you are following it or not. And for a reference purpose, as I told you, I have all the Word document with screenshot which I will be sharing with you, like this: assign activities, okay, maintenance order, general notification, okay, multiple counter plan. So all this with screenshots I have, I will also provide these things, okay. Hope you are okay with this trainer, and anytime you can contact me for this free demo or direct discussion or anything. So just give your feedback, and if you have any questions you can reach out to these addresses. Thank you all.